Hello?
Hey Beanie, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Do you want to come over tonight for a sleepover?
Yeah, oh my god, that sounds like such a good idea.
In my jeans, put on MTV, glitter on my feet, it's a pop party. Hit me up on MySpace, lip gloss over my face, pink is all I see in my pop body. Have you got 3 pounds? I wanna buy a ringtone. Can you send it over? Bluetooth through my flip phone. Feeling pretty cute. Get my digi camera. Wanna take a pic. Cause I'm a groovy chick. Cause I'm so groovy, 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 groovy. I'm a groovy chick, so groovy, 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 groovy. I'm a groovy chick, so groovy, 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 groovy. I'm a groovy chick, so groovy, 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 groovy. Cause I'm so groovy, 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 groovy.
Hey Beanie, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey, you've reached Lauren.
And Beanie.
We can't come to the phone right now.
We're too busy having a pop party.
Please leave your message after the beep.